Introducing guys, our new member of our family. Ayan, meron kaming new fish guys. Ang cute nila. Ang pangalan daw ng mga to are glowing. Ano kasi yung kalahating kapangalan? Basta may glowing ano. Nalimot ko yung name nila. But they're so cute. Look at them. Ayan o, luminous pink, luminous green. Tapos meron akong color blue, meron akong color, ano pa yun? Parang purple. I have purple and orange. Isa lang kinuha kong orange kasi marami, orange na yung mga goldfish namin. Ayan. Napaka-cute nila. Look at them. Diba? Nakakalibang. Nakakatanggal ng stress every time you're watching them. Look at them. Ang ganda. They're so tiny. They're so cute. Ang ganda nila, guys. Ayan, nalimot ko yung name. Basta may glowing something ang pangalan ng mga to. Ayan. Ang ganda, diba? Ayan sila. Cute. Ang ganda. Oh, see? See? See their colors? Our original fish are those, called goldfish. But I found something that they are not harmless with this one. This cute little fish. Ayan, ang cute nila. Oh, tingnan nyo. Ang liliit. I think they're grown na. Kasi when I bought them, they're only tiny. Oh, see? Ayan sila. Oh, they're playing. Ang cute. Nagbabump sila each other. Ayan. It's not yet time to eat. Ang ganda. Nakakalibang, guys. Ganda panoorin, no? Oh, sige, play ka na there. Go inside. Ganda, guys. They're bumping. They're bumping. Oh, diba? Naghaharutan yung dalawa. Ganda. I think I need to, add more colors. Kasi sobrang nalilibang ako sa kulay nila. Ang ganda-ganda. Sana ibang goldfish? Ayun. And may orange, may green, may blue, may purple, may pink. Ganda, diba? You should, add them to your alaga, guys, your pets. Welcome to our home, guys. Hope you like our home, your new home, guys. Thank you for giving me joy every day.